Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living, and we hope everyone's having a great day today. Here in Northwest Georgia, it is extremely cold, and this is perfect weather for soup. And I've got just the right soup that I think you'll enjoy this. Marie and I both, we love tomato soup. And today we're going to be making tomato rice soup. And this is a very simple and easy recipe. And these are my ingredients for it. A 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 cup of basmati rice. You can use regular long grain rice on this recipe. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of basil. I'll be using 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'll be using 3 green onions that have been chopped and diced up. Be using a little bit of olive oil, about a tablespoon. Use just a little bit of sugar, maybe a teaspoon of sugar. And I'll be using 4.5 cups of chicken broth. And this is light sodium. And I will probably sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top of it when we get through. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do, I've got some olive oil in here already heating up, and it should be pretty hot now. I'm going to add the green onions to this and let them go ahead and be sauteing. Now, if you don't have green onions, you could use just a little bit of a regular yellow onion, and that would be fine. I'm using 3 green onions, just chopped them up sort of small. Okay, we'll let them saute there just for a few seconds. Next, I'm going to add some garlic to it, and you can use fresh garlic, but I prefer using the minced garlic in the jar. It's just a little bit easier. We usually buy the one that's in olive oil. We seem to like that one the best. So I'm going to put about 3 spoons full of this in here. This is a fresh jar that we just opened up. Okay, and let me mix this garlic in there a little bit. Boy, that really smells good there. Okay. Next, I'm going to add, now the recipe calls for adding some additional salt to it, but I'm not putting salt in mine extra. I'm just putting 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of dried basil. So we'll go ahead and mix this in. Okay, next I'm going to add the rice to it, and this is the basmati rice, but you can use regular rice if you don't have this rice. And I did rinse it and drain it first. Okay, and I'm going to let this saute for about a minute here with the rice and the oil and onions. All the seasoning, man, that smells great. Okay, next I'm going to add in the tomato paste, and I'll just put about 2 tablespoons in here. And I'm also going to add just a little bit of sugar. This is about 1 teaspoon of sugar. This will help the tomato taste not be so acidy. Okay, next I'm going to add the tomatoes to it, and this is a 28-ounce can, and I'm going to add the tomatoes with the juice. If you don't have the large can, you could use 2 small cans. Okay, and then the last ingredient is going to be 4½ cups of, I'm using chicken broth. You could use vegetable broth or beef broth, whichever one you prefer. Okay, now that don't get any easier than that, does it? That's pretty much all there is to it, except for letting it cook now. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is put the lid on it, let this come up to a simmer, and I'm going to let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until that rice gets good and tender in there. And then it'll be ready to serve. So let's let this cook for a little bit, and I'll be back with you very shortly. Okay, everyone, the soup just finished cooking, and it is definitely smelling great, and it looks fantastic. Just look at that. There's a lot of steam coming off of it right now. It's very hot. I've got a grilled cheese sandwich cooking over here for Marie. So let me get this grilled cheese sandwich finished, and then I'll put some in her plate and do a taste test on it. Okay, I've got Marie's grilled cheese sandwich done. Looks good, and I went ahead and made me one also. Made mine with pepper jack cheese. And so let me get us some soup. Okay, there's Marie a bowl. That sure looks nice. Now this will make enough for probably 2 or 3 meals, but we love tomato soup, so we won't have a problem eating this for a couple of meals. But let this cool off here just a second and I'll do a taste test. Okay, hopefully this has cooled down just a little bit. It's still pretty hot, I can tell, because it's still steaming. But let me get a little taste of it here. Now remember, I did not add any extra salt to this. So if you make it and you like your food salty, you may want to add some extra salt. That's very good. I don't think it's going to need any salt at all for me. I think this is going to be just fine here. It is still extremely hot though. Oh yeah, that's real good. That's going to go really good with this toasted cheese sandwich. I know Marie's going to love hers because that's her favorite thing is toasted grilled cheese sandwiches with tomato soup. So the rice is just a little extra to it. This is a very easy recipe. You've seen it only took just a few minutes to put it together. I cooked it exactly 20 minutes. And now the rice will continue to absorb liquid, so you want to eat it right now and enjoy it right now. Some of this, if we have to heat it back up, I may want to add just a little bit of chicken broth to it when I heat it back up, so it'll be good and soupy. But this is going to be fantastic. If you try this recipe, let me know how you like it, but we definitely going to enjoy it. Okay, so I'll go ahead and close the video out for now so that we can enjoy this meal. Marie is back in the den. I'm going to carry her plate back there to her. She is doing good today, but she's still dealing a little bit with that sinus trouble and a little bit of a cough. So she didn't want to be on camera today, so y'all forgive her for that. But she'll be back on camera just as soon as she feels up to it again. So for right now, though, we'll close. So y'all remember to do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on our next video. Bye.